I welcome you in this tutorial where I'm going to teach you how you can form a shape or you can form a structure like this using your PixelLab app. So this is possible. Just stick around and you will learn everything how to form this shape. It's very simple. Alright, so if this is your first time seeing my video, watching my video, do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more notification anytime we drop video. You can check other videos on my channel and you will learn a lot. Alright, so this is graphic design group channel. You will learn everything about graphic design if you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Alright, so in this tutorial video I'm going to walk you guys on how you can get this type of shape or structure using a PixelLab app. Is very easy and you can do it. Alright, so let's start so that we know if we can achieve something like this. Alright, now let me resize. This is the image. This is what I'm going to do. So we're going to see from it and then replicate what we want. Alright, so let us start. The first thing we are going to do is that we are only going to make use of shapes for this design. Alright, so we have to click on shapes. Alright, for those who are new to PixelLab, here is for text, here is for shape, and here is for background, and here is for effect. So it's because we are into shapes, that's why you are seeing all these options here. These are options for shapes. Alright, okay, so you have to click on shapes so that we import a shape that we are going to make use of in this design. Then the next thing is that you are going to this opacity here, you are going to reduce it to 0%. This opacity, reduce it to 0%. Then you scroll until you will see stroke width. Alright, so you have to increase this stroke width. You have to increase it. Let's resize this to something like this. It's okay like this. I think the stroke width is okay. Then you scroll up, you are going to see color. This is color for stroke. Alright, so and we are going to click on gradient. Right, then we are going to form a gradient color for this. We can use any color of your choice, you understand, but I'm going to make use of this color. I'm going to make use of pink for this place. So if you just scroll this thing, you get the color you want. Alright, if you check, if I'm scrolling it, the color is changing, and here's where you know the color you select. Alright, so I'm going to select pink. Then you click OK. Then we have to click on this place so that we select another color. That is the second color, the color that is up here. That's the color. That's this color. Alright, so if you click on it, then you click on this color icon. Let me show you what I clicked on. After you clicked on this, then you have to click on this one, this color icon here. Then you have to select green this time around. Alright, yeah, it's okay like this. Leave it like this. Then you have to click on this check mark here. Then you have to place this thing at the center. Alright, so the thing we are going to do now is going to our relative position and click on it. Then you're going to click these two options, these two here, these two center one, this and this. Alright, so that they will be in the center. Then you have to copy this shape now. Click on copy. Then when you copy the shape, just use your relative position for this. Alright, so just see the steps now. If you come to your relative position, you have to click on these two so that they will be at the center. If you check, they are now this is two shape, but they appear as one. Then you have to scroll because they are vertically and horizontally aligned. Alright, so you have to scroll till you see rotate. You click on it. Then you're going to rotate in the negative side of this. Alright, and the first one we are going to rotate it to 5. Alright, we are going to rotate it to -5. Just leave it like this. Then the next thing is that you have to merge them. You click on this. Then this is the two shape we want to merge. Alright, the first step is to click here. If you click on it, then you're going to check mark the two ones that you want to merge or any other one. Then after that, you have to click here and click OK. You have merged the shape. They are now one shape. Then just copy the shape. Don't click anywhere. Just copy the shape like that. Copy. Then you have to give it on a relative position. So the same process. Then you go back to rotate again. Then you have to rotate this one to 10. The other one was 5. You add another 5, which will be minus 10 now. Alright. Then merge them again the same way we did the other one. So just follow this process now. You merge them again. Then you copy again. Just copy again. Copy, then you use your relative position. Then you go to rotate again. This one will now be minus 15. Alright. So this one will be minus 15. So if you are doing it, you can use this or this negative or positive, or you can scroll this thing around. Alright. So this one should be minus 15. Then we merge again. Then you copy again. This is how we are going to do it until we achieve what we want. This one should be minus 20. Alright. Minus 20. Then we have not keep it in our relative position, so let's do that. Alright. Then this one we have to merge them again. Then copy. Then in a relative position, then you have to rotate. This one should be 25, I think. 25. Alright. Then this should be the last one. So let's merge again. Then let us copy and keep in a relative position, and then rotate to 30. Alright, so we have achieved something great. Alright, so the next thing now is that we are going to merge them, the remaining two. Let's merge the remaining two. Alright, so we have achieved something. If you look at it, there is a way the color appear here and here. It's not purely green and it's not purely pink for this side. Alright, so this is just the simple way to form this shape. Then the next thing we are going to do now is that we are going to do this. We are going to add this color. If you check this one, our own has a golden color. Before then, let us add there is a feature in this PixelLab that is called emboss. So you are going to add it. If you go, then you on it. If your own gets scattered like this, you have to reduce or increase your shape so that it will be uniform, so that it won't be scattered like this. Alright, so let me check if I will get it, because sometimes this thing misbehave sometimes. Alright, so this is okay. Now we have to scroll down. Let us reduce this bevel, the level of this bevel, reduce it. Alright, I think it's okay like this now. Then I think we should just leave everything. Then we have to go to 3D shape. I hope you see where I click 3D shape. Then on it, then we have to off this button down here. There's a button down here, off it. Then this depth, we have to reduce the depth. This depth. Alright, so let's reduce it. Leave it at level 5. It's okay like this. So you can see we have formed something beautiful. So let's change the background, because here's where our design finish. Even though we still apply the golden color, but even if you achieve something like this, it's really great. You can see now this looks very, very okay and perfect. Alright, so now let us apply that golden color. The simple way, just go to your shape, then you have to go to texture. Here it is. If you click on it, then you're going to click on this image icon. We want to use golden texture, right? So let me wear the texture and golden texture. Here it is, and you can get this using your Pinterest app. All you have to do is just go to Pinterest and search for golden texture. You will see something similar to this or something better than this. Alright, so just check mark it. You can see the thing looks similar to what we have here. Alright, so this is very simple, and you can achieve this design using your PixelLab app. Even though you can get something like this on your Pinterest, but you can still design it using your Pinterest app. There are say another ways or another shape this we can still form using this same process. Alright, so let us form this, the last one, which is this one that is in silver texture, which is at the center. Alright, so let's keep this one here. Then we have to copy this one. when you copy it, you have to reduce the size. I know it will scatter, but just keep reducing until you find where it will be uniform. Right, so it's a form uniform right now. In your own, it might not happen like this. All right, so let's keep this big one in a relative position. And then this one also, we have to keep it on a relative position. Then we are just going to delete the texture in this one and then apply the texture again. Just go to your texture, then you have to delete this one. You see it has formed the former shape or the former distance that we have before. All right, so let's go to our gallery and choose the texture we want, and here is the texture. Right, I would like to crop this to then something like this. Alright, you can see now we have found exactly what we have here. Let's bring this one to front. You can see it now, exactly what we have. Right, so we have achieved this design. Alright, so this is just the simple way in which you can achieve a design like this. If this video was helpful to you, please do well to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, share this video and give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and show me your appreciation in the comment section. Or if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section and I'll get you through. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you by the next video.